Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is September 11th, 2025, and we're diving into Adobe's latest earnings report for the third quarter of fiscal year 2025. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Adobe has just released some impressive numbers. Can you give us a quick overview?
Absolutely. Adobe has reported record revenue of $5.99 billion for Q3 2025, marking an 11% year-over-year growth. The company has also raised its fiscal year 2025 targets for digital media ARR growth, total revenue, and EPS, driven by strong performance in their AI-influenced offerings.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Adobe reported a net revenue of $5.99 billion for Q3 2025, which is an 11% increase compared to last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth is primarily driven by strong subscription revenue across Adobe's digital media and digital experience segments. The digital media segment alone contributed $4.46 billion, reflecting a 12% year-over-year growth. This indicates Adobe's successful execution of its AI-first strategy and robust customer engagement.
And how about profitability? How did Adobe perform in terms of earnings per share?
Adobe reported a GAAP EPS of 4.18 and an adjusted EPS of 5.31, which significantly beats the analyst's forecast of 4.21. This strong performance is attributed to effective cost management and operational efficiencies, as well as a favorable product mix.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. How is Adobe managing its operations to achieve such impressive results?
Adobe's GAAP operating income was $2.17 billion, while the non-GAAP operating income reached $2.77 billion. The company has been focusing on optimizing its cost structure and enhancing its operational efficiencies, which is evident from the strong cash flow of $2.2 billion. Additionally, Adobe repurchased approximately 8 million shares, reflecting confidence in its future growth prospects.
What can we expect from Adobe moving forward?
Adobe has raised its fiscal year 2025 targets, with total revenue expected to be between $23.65 billion and $23.70 billion. The company is also targeting a non-GAAP EPS of 20.80 to 20.85. With a strong focus on AI-driven innovation and customer-centric strategies, Adobe is well-positioned for sustained growth.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into Adobe's segment performance. How did the digital media and digital experience segments fare this quarter?
The digital media segment reported revenue of $4.46 billion, a 12% increase year-over-year, driven by strong demand for Adobe's Creative Cloud offerings. The digital experience segment also performed well, with revenue of $1.48 billion, marking a 9% growth. Adobe's strategic focus on AI-influenced and AI-first ARR has been pivotal, with AI-influenced ARR surpassing $5 billion and AI-first ARR exceeding the $250 million year-end target.
What strategic initiatives are driving these results?
Adobe's commitment to AI product innovation and a robust go-to-market strategy are key drivers. The company is leveraging AI to enhance its product offerings, which is resonating well with customers. This, combined with strategic investments in customer success and market expansion, is fueling Adobe's growth trajectory.
Key takeaways. In summary, Adobe has delivered a stellar performance in Q3 2025, with record revenue and earnings per share. The company's strategic focus on AI and customer-centric solutions is clearly paying off. John, any final thoughts on Adobe's investment prospects?
Adobe's strong financial performance and raised guidance for FY25 make it an attractive investment. The company's leadership in AI-driven solutions and its ability to adapt to market trends position it well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on Adobe's continued innovation and market expansion efforts.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Adobe's performance in the comments below. Until next time.